Okay, so I thought let us look at the collar quickly. We finished the stitching now. Um, the first seam. So we need to turn it over and iron it up again. So I thought let me show you how I do it. Everybody does it differently. Um, I created these things. I think they call it Taylor's hams. It looks like a ham, but I created these ones specifically for the collar. So what I do is I normally just cut it a little bit here, and I created them so that you can open up the seams properly. So when you turn it over, you get a nice clean seam. So this one I don't use a lot, but this one looks like a collar. And it's basically just cloth, and I had some other uh, cotton that I use for the screen printing. Clean the screens that I just put inside. So normally what I do is I just put it inside the collar like this. You can't um, you can't have one for every size of shirt. So I just use this one. And what I do with it, it helps to open up the collar when you have to keep the collar in place when you iron it open. So normally I just iron it open like this so that when you turn the collar, you've got a nice flat collar. And it just helps to keep it in place. It's not perfect, that is definitely not. But it's far better than putting it on the table and try and stretching it open. Because the collars do look better if the seams are nicely open. But as I say, it's definitely not perfect, but it's working, it's doing the job. So and it certainly helps to keep it nice and open and flat. I'm sure there are better ways to do it, but all the seams are nice and open now, so you can easily turn them over. There are other ways also to do to get a clean corner here. You can put when you do the sewing of the collar, you can put a needle in there, a small piece of thread, just to open the collar nicely and make it a nice pointed collar. But for these shirts, they are linen shirts, and you try and round them off nicely. But they are summer shirts and nice loose hanging shirts. So you can put a pin in there and just make it nice and pointed. And then I just do an iron on top, and you can see that the seams are nicely aligned everywhere. So um, so it's nicely flat and aligned. So this this Taylor's ham, everybody creates their own and do it the way they prefer to do it. But I know the small one, they also use it for the collars, but that one is working fine. I think I should have made it smaller, maybe, and then one can just move it easily inside the thing, but it's working and that's all that matters. And at the end, you've got a nice collar that looks nice. The seams are nicely on top of each other. They're not overlapping. And also, I don't put interfacing in these collars. A lot of people put interfacing inside to give the collar structure, but I don't think it's necessary for these summer shirts. There is, if you use rayon and that type of stuff, I think it's rayon or viscose. I made a shirt for myself the other day, and there you have to use interfacing because that cloth is so thin and loose and light. You don't get any type of structure with that cloth. But with the rayon, with the Rami linen, it's got a fair amount of structure. So you don't necessarily. You must just make sure you iron the collar correctly when you do it. So next we're going to put on the pockets. I'm not going to make a video of that. Maybe I will see. But in any case, we need to put the pockets now on so that we can finish up the shirt.